I feel this. I feel this right here. This is what I feel. This is what I feel. This is what I feel she looks like before I get started. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and see what I can do, what I can borrow from over here. mm. My page is too small, so I can't. I don't want to run off of there. So. I don't want too many wrinkles in the picture, so I'm going to try to be kind of careful with that. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay. Okay, and last but not least, those eyelashes always make the difference right there at the end. What is this that I have here? Oh, okay. These are just some older. No, these are some brush tip markers. Never used before. Maybe we can do something with them. I don't know. All right, let me see here. This is like one of my thin. I don't even know if this works anymore, does this? Oh yeah, I just had to get it started on another paper there. But you can see how thin those eyebrows are. So I really didn't want them to be too, you know what I'm saying? So I made them real. Yeah, let's see how that thinness right there. Yeah. Because her face doesn't really have a lot of things that. What stands out to most about me is the very unique way her eyes sit in her face. That's really what I kind of shot for, along with the small mouth. You get what I mean? So that's what I think she would look like. I mean, of course, you may have your own version, right? Okay. So we got Miss Maggie Smith. Miss Maggie. Okay. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.